Best dispensers for shower comparison. Soap dispensers for shower products have become increasingly popular for their ability to declutter bathroom spaces and streamline access to essential toiletries. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium dispenser with advanced features, this category offers solutions for every type of user. To provide a list, the Better Living Products Trio 3-Chamber Dispenser is a highly affordable option designed to eliminate shower bottle clutter. It features 3 chambers, each holding 14.7 fluid ounces, and comes with smooth, reliable pumps backed by a lifetime warranty. Installation is hassle-free with included waterproof silicone glue and tape, making it suitable for renters or those who prefer not to drill into tiles. The ABS plastic construction ensures durability, while the compact design fits neatly into corners or flat walls. Performance-wise, this dispenser excels in providing consistent pump action, making it ideal for daily use. However, the chambers are slightly smaller compared to some competitors, which may require more frequent refills for larger households. The white ABS plastic housing is functional but lacks the aesthetic appeal of higher-end models, making it better suited for users prioritizing functionality over style.
List 2. The Better Living Aviva Shower Dispenser is a premium option that combines style, functionality, and durability. With its satin silver finish and integrated hooks for razors or accessories, this dispenser offers a sleek and practical design. Each chamber holds 11 ounces of liquid, and the dispenser can be installed without tools using adhesive and silicone glue. The individual chambers lift off for easy cleaning and refilling, making maintenance effortless. This model stands out for its aesthetic appeal and additional storage hooks, which make it a great choice for users looking to maximize space in their shower. However, the reduced chamber capacity, 11 ounces per chamber, may require frequent refills for larger households. The higher price point reflects its premium design and features, making it ideal for users who value both style and functionality.
List number. The Aviva 3-Chamber Dispenser offers a robust and versatile solution for bathroom organization. Each chamber holds 400 milliliters, 14.85 ounces, and the dispenser features oversized buttons for smooth and efficient operation. Made from ultra-hard ABS plastic, it promises durability and environmental friendliness, withstanding up to 300,000 presses. The dispenser is designed for thicker liquids like conditioners and includes a visual window for monitoring liquid levels. This dispenser is particularly suited for users who prioritize durability and functionality. Its oversized buttons and smooth pump action make it easy to use even for thicker liquids. However, its bulkier design and heavier weight, 2.6 pounds, may not be ideal for smaller shower spaces. The dual installation options, no drill or drill, offer flexibility, making it a great choice for renters or homeowners alike. List number. The Mesa Novo dispenser set features 3 black PET plastic bottles with a 16.9 flavor ounce capacity per bottle. Designed with a minimalist aesthetic, this dispenser includes waterproof labels for easy identification and adhesive wall mount brackets for drill-free installation. Its BPA-free construction adheres to ISO 14001 environmental standards, making it a sustainable choice for eco-conscious users. This dispenser excels in design and functionality, making it ideal for modern bathrooms. The larger bottle capacity reduces the need for frequent refills, while the adhesive installation ensures no damage to walls. However, the pump mechanism may require more effort compared to premium models, and the higher price point reflects its stylish design and eco-friendly materials.
List 5. The Cabo de Ciaro dispenser offers a practical and affordable solution for bathrooms, hotels, and gyms. Each chamber holds 300 milliliters, and the dispenser features upgraded nozzles for smooth, drip-free operation. Made from durable ABS plastic with a gun gray finish, it includes waterproof labels for easy identification and supports both adhesive and drill installation methods. This dispenser is best suited for users who need a compact and versatile option. The transparent chambers make it easy to monitor liquid levels, while the upgraded nozzles ensure consistent performance. However, the smaller chamber capacity, 300 milliliters per chamber, may require frequent refills, and the design lacks the premium feel of higher-end models.